We turn off our AI computer and remove all peripheral devices. Then we install Ubuntu on our host computer. We get the required archive file from Syslogic's SharePoint. Unpack the archive with the Linux console. Now we take the USB cable and connect the host computer to the AI computer. We then put the AI computer into recovery mode. To do this, there are two blue buttons on the back of the device. Press and hold the bottom button and then tap the top button. After that, release the bottom button. To check if you have successfully entered the recovery mode, you can use dmesc in the Linux console. Using the console, navigate to the unzipped archive. Now start the recovery process with the following command. After successfully flashing the image, the device should reboot itself. Now we can remove all the cables and close the service cover. The device is now ready to be deployed.